What's going on, traders? Welcome back. Happy 2022. It is officially our first trading session of the year. Now, the markets opened up really well today. All right. It's all falling in line with our outlook, what we've been sharing here in the past few days, past few weeks in the channel, in which we are looking for further continuation to the upside based on our wave counts. Now, I've been presenting to you guys two interpretations, right? The bearish and the bullish count for both the SPY and the Qs. Now, at this point, we're still unlikely that the overall flat correction in the wave 2 for the SPY is at play, or for the Qs, right? Given the fact that we may be potentially heading to new all-time highs again in the SPY. Actually, we did hit all-time highs in the SPY, but the Qs is a bit lagging. So let us review. Now, the question is, are we going to hit all-time highs in the Qs? And as of now, it is likely. Before we dive into the analysis, give me a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload these videos. Okay, now before we move further, actually there's some things that we need to be on watch for this year. Obviously, one of the things being the interest rate hike that is likely to come in March. Okay, and also this week we have the FOMC meeting minutes that was released for the meeting that was back in December. It is going to get released this week, and also we have the ADP and NFP data coming out now. Pretty good, pretty busy week for us, and we should be ready. Now, the Qs over here, coming out of our December 20th low, we did confirm 5 waves up. Now, usually when we have a 5 progression, right, a 5-wave impulsive structure in an Elliott wave, we are going to confirm that with 3-wave pullback. Now, we are seeing that being displayed here in the Qs. We have the A wave, the B wave, and the C wave. To support this, we also have a our Fibonacci retracement, right, of this overall wave structure falling towards the 23.6. Now, it is a pretty shallow wave 2 pullback, given that we have an extended wave 1, but it's not out of the question, guys. So this is likely going to resolve in upside continuation. Now, we got our first A wave, our B wave, and now our C wave is also the 100% extension of the A wave. All right, so that's a pretty good indication that we have 2 levels or 2 degrees of confirmation here, right? We have the smaller degree wave count and the higher degree wave count. We also have some confluence with support zones back here in its price history. Now, I likely wanted to see this price action go further down, maybe down here towards the trend lines resistance that now would be our support, right? Because this was originated back here on November the 22nd. It was confirmed on December the 8th, rejected on December the 15th, ever so slightly rejected again on the 22nd, pulled back, and then we broke above it. All right, now we did not get all the way down here, but it's okay. It's not that bad. Now, to confirm the upside potential here, we're gonna have to break above the $404.56 region, which is its previous high here on December the 28th. All right, guys. Now, good trading today. There were good moves coming out of the markets. We had Tesla reporting over the weekend, actually yesterday, massive beat on its delivery, so that really helped the markets out. Also, Apple helped the markets out. Guys, it is time to go. So that's the Qs. Let's take a look at actually, yeah, before we go to the SPY, so support, we have to still keep on watch for this, right? So the 100%, 398 and 397 respectively. Our outside targets for the Qs right here is going to be the 100% extension, right, of wave 1 versus wave 2. That comes in at 425.20, 425.37. So we're almost there. We're almost breaking out to all-time highs. Just give it a little bit more patience, and then we should be good to go. All right, now over to the SPY, guys. So that's not the count that I'm looking for, because that is not it. All right, here we go. So if you recall, last week, right, we have been showing this blue box here that is indicative of our support zones. All right, this zone. I'm not calling out a particular line or a particular price structure or price level rather, right? But I'm more calling out a zone in where we will see potential reversals in the markets. Now, this zone happened to fall within the appropriate fib extensions, right, of the corrective move here. So down in A, up in B, down in C. We got the 1618 of the wave A, right, compared to the wave B. We also confirmed the wave high here at the 2618. So we have pretty good level of confidence here that this may resolve into the upside. However, what I am not liking, and just bear with me here, is that while the Qs did confirm a potential wave to completion, right, because we pull back towards the higher degree fib levels, okay, here on the SPY, we have not done so yet, rather, right? This is, these two zones are from the extension from the low to the high of wave one. And you see here that we fell short coming to the 23.6. Now, I don't like that personally, but it's still not out of the question. Now, maybe just because the Qs, this is my thought process here, and bear with me, right? Since the Qs are lagging behind in making its all-time highs, all right, and we already see that the SPY already made its all-time high here back in December the 30th. It is likely that this is the wave B on development, and we're going to get the wave C here while the Qs are catching up to the SPY. You get what I'm saying? So we have the A wave, all right? Oh, sorry, the A wave is here, my bad. So the A wave, we may get another push higher to the B wave, all right? And then we get the sell-off in the C wave while the Qs are transitioning to catching up with the broader market, right? The SPY. All right, so that is probably what's going to happen. Not sure. I don't think that may be the case, but that's never out of the question. So be on the lookout for those levels. So if we start breaking below the 474, then that is likely. But I really do want to see the SPY come down towards the $472 region. All right. For now, I'm going to anchor this right over here. I'm going to put the wave B pullback here, wave C completed here at the 1618, and then we see the third wave run up. Now, where would the third wave land us? Let's take a look. We take an extension from the low of wave one to the high of wave one down to support zone, and the 100% extension will likely take us up north of the $500 region, guys. Is the SPY gonna hit the 500s? Man, that is yet to be seen. But the way things are looking, it is likely and it is possible. All right, SMH. Now we have two wave counts here. We have two interpretations, just like in the SPY, right? Our interpretation number one is that this is the completed pullback, right, down towards the 2338.2 dollar region, or fib levels rather. Okay, and it's not out of the question. Or wave two, it's ongoing, right, and our Elliott wave count looks such like this. All right, now if we want to confirm this, we will take an extension or retracement to retrace this whole move, and we'll see that perhaps the 786 is our resistance zone. Clearly we see that, right? It was rejected this morning on January the 3rd at 10:30 a.m. Pull back, try to push above it, okay, around the zone, this area here, and then we started to fall short and not breaking above it. Now this may be the B wave, all right, 1, 2, and 3, and then we reject. Otherwise, if we start pushing higher, then we may have to have anchored the wave A here, sorry, the wave 2, wave A, wave B, and then the final C wave. All right, not out of the question. It's still a pretty good pullback here. It falls within the guideline of the right look, and but otherwise, if not, then the B wave should be anchored here if we start seeing continuation to the downside. All right, now IWM. Let's take a quick look here at the IWM chart. Let me see if I have this one here. All right, I think it's here. I don't have a label, but we could work on it together, right? It'll be fun. It'll be fun. Now, I thought I did have a label. That's quite all right. So should this be, actually, let me see. Hold on. Give me a second. It's all right. We'll keep on working here. Now, I'm calling this the wave 1. We're looking for a wave 2 pullback, 3, 4, and 5. Now, it could be that the wave 2 already completed, okay, back here. But this will call for a pretty short pullback, right? If we take an extension, or a retracement rather, we'll open up the 38 to the 23. Okay, actually, it's not that out of the question. It's not that off, right? Because the 23.6 served as our support levels here. Now, it is likely that this is some weird expanding triangle in the wave 1. I'm not too sure that's the case. The likelihood is that this is the count here now. The likelihood is that this is A, that's B, and then we're down in C here. So this has yet to resolve itself. I mean, we did break this trendline resistance here that originated on December the 28th. Okay, December the 30th was acting as resistance. We broke above it, but we failed to continue, and now we're hovering under it, and we're trying to stay right at it. Okay, so keep your eyes open for that, because if we take a retracement, I'm almost certain that this might be the 1272 and is acting as its resistance. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, you see. So the 1272 external fib level resistance of the wave B is acting as its resistance zone at 226.93. We pull back hard, and this may be the 1, 2, right, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's take a quick look at this. If this is the actual wave count, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, we'll demote this to the minute degree. Okay, changes to weight, and we'll take a fib level here. If this is anywhere between 23.6 and 38.2, or even the 50, then it is likely that this is the count. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, so maybe even the 618, right? Yeah, look, the 618 was our resistance level there. And so it is likely that this is 1, 2. We're going to go down in 3, up in 4. Obviously, 4 cannot go in the territory of 1. And then the final fifth of wave C. All right, guys. So I know that this is probably not what we wanted to see, but unfortunately, that might be the case. And to be in the positive note, it does represent a good buyable opportunity to the upside. All right, guys. So that's it for me tonight. I hope you guys are doing good. Any questions, leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to join Trending Waves. Give me a thumbs up in this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get this money, man. Let's get it done. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Actually, I'm gonna probably upload a chart of Tesla. Yeah, I'm gonna upload a chart of Tesla after this video. All right, guys. Take care. I'll see you later. Bye.